Good day, madam. My name is Tanishing and my matrix number is 270607. Today, I will be present about the website of our online grocery store for PBL3. So, first, let us review back to the requirement list. The first requirement is shop owners and customers register their details. So at here, we can see that they have two buttons here, which is the register button for customer and the register button for shop owner. So the customer can click on the register button here and then insert all the detail, select the security question and also answer the security question and then click the sign up button. Same goes as here, the shop owner also can click the register button here and fill in all the uh, details and also select the security question, answer the security answer and click sign up. Okay, so let me demo. So for example, I will demo all to insert all the details. Okay, so after I insert all the details and I can click the sign up button, then the message will pop up, register successful. So same goes as here, but the customer register successful need to wait until the approval from shop owner by using the email. So this can fulfill the requirement number 2, which is shop owners approve the registration of customers. And then the requirement number 3 of authentication user is shop owners and customers can log in. So at here we can see a login button here. Okay, after that we can the customer and the shop owner can insert like the username and also the password. After that, the customer and the shop owner can click the login button, and a login successful message will show on the screen. Okay, and after that is shop owners and customers can reset their username and password. So this requirement is for the user who forget their username and password. So at here, at the login form here, we can see a forgot username or password. So for user that forgot their username or password, they can click on this button. Okay, and then the security question will appear here, and then the user need to answer the security question answer. And then, for example, I answer the security question and then I click submit. Okay, the reset link will send to my email and I can reset the username or password through the email. Okay, so for the requirement 5 for authentication user, shop owner and customers can change their username and password. This requirement is for the user who want to change their username and password. So at the setting here, we can at the login page here, we can see the setting button on the right bottom corner. So the user can click on the setting button and then click the change username and password. Okay, and can enter the current username, current password, new username, and new password. Okay, and then click the save button. And then the screen will appear reset successful. Okay, so for requirement 6, shop owners and customers can log out. So beside the login button, we can see a log out button. So the user can log out if they don't want to quit this system. So after they click the log out, the system will appear log out successful. Okay, so now I will be proceed to the requirement number 2, which is order management. So if we follow this website, the first requirement which are going to fulfill is NGS 0205, which is customer are able to choose the item that they want to order. So here we can see like this. The customer can click on the I am a customer page. I am a customer button to access the customer page here. Okay, and then this is the home page of customer page, and then if fulfill the requirement, customer are able to choose the item that they want to order. So customer can click on the category of grocery they want, and then for example, if I want to buy a senangin fish, I can click add to cart button. Okay, I can select the size and then the quantity. Okay, and then I can add to the cart. Okay, so for example, this one is the item that that I add into the cart. Okay. Okay, and then the requirement number 2 is customer are able to choose a way to receive order items. So for this requirement, I can click the view card. Okay, so at this page, I can choose the way to receive the requirement. The order, for example, is delivery or pickup. Okay, and then the requirement number 3 is shop owners are able to include a delivery fee for orders that need to be delivered. So at here, if I choose delivery, a delivery fee of 5 ringgit will be charged on the order. And then the following requirement is customers are able to manage the order details. So for the manage order details here is customer can pick a time that they want to receive the order. For example, I pick 9th of January and 2:30 p.m. and I click save. Okay, then I can click place order, and then at the place order page here, I can also insert the details. For example, first name, last name, address, city, and so on. Okay, so for the following requirement is customers are able to update their delivery details. So for this one is about the order that placed, and then the customer willing to change the delivery details of the order. So for example here, this one is the order that already placed by the customer, and if the customer willing to update on the delivery details, he or she can click on the edit button here, and then an order will appear, and then can click on the update delivery time and pick a new date, and then click save. Then the save update successful will appear. So for the order that cannot be updated, which does not fulfill the requirement to update, if the customer click edit, the update is not available message will be shown on the screen. Okay, so for the next requirement is customers are able to review the item they bought. So for this one is customer can click on the review button also at the place order page, and then customer can review that I review very good, and I click post, then the review successful will be shown. And next is the customer are able to live chat with shop owner on their query. So in this page of the left bottom, we can see the help button. We can click on it, and then the chat box will appear, and the customer can click why my things not yet. For example, this one is the question. Why my thing not delivered? Okay, and then the customer can click send, and then the shop owner can have a live chat with the customer. And next requirement is shop owner managed to charge penalty fees on late picking up. So this one we have to go to the shop owner page. We can click on here, and then we can access to the shop owner page. So for the late pickup, we can click the place order. It will show the late pickup here. We can click on the penalty button. Okay, for example, this order is late for 1 day. I can click day late is 1, and then for the requirement the penalty charge is 1 ringgit for 1 day late. So it's 1 ringgit, and I click save. So the new receipt include with the penalty charge will be generate, and I can print out the receipt. So the next requirement is shop owners are able to print receipts for customer based on the order received. So at here I can click print receipt, and then I can click print for the order here, and I can print, then the receipt will be printed out. And then the last requirement of order management is shop owners manage to update the status of order placed by customer. So for this one is the shop owner can click the update status button here, okay, and choose the status of this. For example, I click back and then I click save, and then the status will be updated. Okay, so now I will proceed with the requirement number 3, which is groceries details management. So the first requirement is shop owners are able to overview stock status. So at here we can proceed to the groceries details management page and then click the stock button. Okay, at here we have overview stock, update stock, and also delete stock. We can click the update overview stock, and then we can see all the lists here. For example, the product name, price in stock, quantity in stock, and also the last one is quantity sold. Okay, the next requirement follow the website is shop owners are able to update the stock status. So we can click the update stock here, and then we can see the update stock list here, and we can click update button to update the quantity. Okay, so if we click confirm, then the confirm action message will be appear, and then if you click on OK, then the action will be performed, or else you click cancel, the action will be cancelled. So if I click OK, then the action will be performed. And then the next requirement is shop owners are able to delete stock in the system. So if I click on the delete stock button and I click, for example, I want to delete the avocado hash here, I click delete. The action will be confirm delete message will appear. And if I click OK, then the item will be deleted. Okay, so the next requirement is shop owners are able to overview on business history based on the date selected. Okay, so for this one, we can also proceed to the groceries details management. Click on the history button, and then shop owners are able to overview on business history. We can click on business history here. Okay, so this one is the business history list, and then if we want to overview based on the date selected, we can click here, choose the date, for example here like this, and we click search, then the list will be appear. Okay, so for the next requirement is shop owners are able to overview transaction records of customer list in the sorted way. So we can go to the transaction record here. Okay, we can see that the transaction is sorted by using the transaction ID, or you want to sort by using any field also can, for example the customer name, customer contact, the session date, or anything at the table here. Okay, so if at here we search for the date that is not valid, for example I search the date between this date and I click search, then the message appear invalid record. Okay, so next is the okay, number 6. Shop owners are able to update the rider's name. So same as the step before, we click on the groceries details management, click on the rider. Okay, can at here we can insert the rider name. For example, I insert Tan, and then rider contact, plate number, and I click save. Then the rider information will be updated. Okay, so now is the last requirement, which is requirement number 4, user profile management. So the first requirement is shop owners and customer are able to update their account information. So let us go back to the shop owner page. The customer page, sorry, customer page. Okay, customer can click on the profile management, and then this at here will appear the account information, and this is the old account information. If the customer want to update new, he or she can click the edit button here, and then insert the new account information. For example, I want to change my name, Lim. Okay, and then after that I click save, the update will be successful. So next is customer are able to update on their billing address. So at here we can click for the billing address here is at here, and we can click edit. Okay, we can key in the billing address here. For example, I key in my new address. Then I click save. The billing address will be saved. Okay, next we proceed with the requirement number 3, which is customer are able to overview on transaction history. So at here the customer can click on the transaction history here. And then this is the overview table. Okay, the next is customer are able to overview on their order history. So we customer can also click the order history here. And then this is the order history list, which include the time and date, place order date, date of delivery or pickup, transaction ID, order ID, customer name, shop owner name, and the last one is total price. Okay, so for the requirement, this requirement, shop owners and customers are able to update their account information. So this one can be performed by two users, which is shop owners and customers. So let me demo on the shop owners. Okay, shop owner can click on the profile management here, and then here will appear the account information, and same as the action that I performed before, can click on edit and then key in the new information. Okay, and here have a difference, which is the profile management here only appear the account information, but for the customer page, it will appear account information, transaction history, order history, and also the billing address. So this is the main difference between the shop owner and the customer at the profile management page. Okay, and so this is the presentation of my website, and the requirement that I list before had been fulfilled all. So thank you.